Lunes chika Donnie, pangilinan ay naming madali ang mag-cheat at makipaglandi. Ano kaya ang ibig sabihin niya? Itong ang naging pahayag niya nang makapanayam siya ng isang showbiz insider. Alam niyo, it's easy to flirt, to cheat, and to get what you want, but finding someone who's genuinely sincere, honest, and consistent, that's rare. Kaya't nung nahanap ko si Belle, talagang hindi na ako tumitingin sa iba. Loyal talaga ako sa kanya. Kasi you are lucky enough to have someone like that. Don't take them for granted. Don't play with their heart or their feelings because in the end, you'll surely regret it.